All right, so we are going to do a test running with the brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm going to be shooting in 2.7K 60 frames with linear mode, horizon leveling on. So gonna run looking straight ahead first and try to keep my arm decently steady, not super focused on it, but try to hold steady as much as I can. We'll see how this turns out. All right, we're actually gonna face this back at me now. Still running 2.7K 60 linear. By the way, all the video you see here is unedited, just thrown together on an iPad. Nothing special, but I will say my last one was a GoPro 7 5. I do an upgrade every 2 years, and the front-facing screen is great for running because I can see myself. Okay, sorry there. So, a couple things I noticed doing the time warp or time lapse, however you want to call it, is that when you hit the screen on the back to flip over to live video, there's about a 1 to 2 second delay. I actually had to hit it twice just because the first time I guess I didn't hit it hard enough. So just something to be focused on or to pay attention to so you don't miss your shot. But yeah, this should still be on horizon leveling even though I'm in the middle of a time lapse because I am moving my arm quite a bit here. So I'm gonna go back to the time warp, head back up the trail. One thing I did notice too is even on the screen, obviously I'm not on the computer yet or the iPad to edit, the color here, because I'm going in and out of shade in this trail, as you can kind of see behind me, is the GoPro seems to do a little bit better job handling that versus the 7 that I used to have as well. So all around pretty happy so far. Excited to see this. Okay, so that's pretty cool feature that we've never had before. Being able to switch from hyperlapse back to live video and do some really fun things with this. This will be neat. I do a lot of running and racing, so be able to record and flip back and forth between time warp and live. So pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of the GoPro Hero 9 while running. Pretty happy with all of this. I don't know if I'm looking at this screen right next to the lens, if you can tell if I'm not looking right at you, but I'm not a vlogger, so it's okay. Anyway, really like the camera. It's a little bit heavier, so it feels good in your hands. I've got it on just like a little 6-inch grip or a handle. Just a cheap one off of Amazon.